Have you ever felt like you're just existing in your own life? Like you're playing a background role in someone else's story and you're just waiting for something, in fact, anything to happen? Yeah, I have been there. And let me tell you, the world is designed to make you feel like a side character. They want you to stay small, they want you to wait for permission, and they want you to keep inside a teeny tiny box that keeps you predictable. But here's the thing, no one is coming to cast you as the lead in your own life. You have to choose that role for yourself. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. How to shift your mindset, how to break free from the supporting role mentality, and step into the main character energy that changes everything. Part 1. Why most people live as side characters. Point 1. We are always taught to play it safe. From a very young age, we are taught to be polite, to not take up too much space, and to not be too much. Society often rewards people who blend in and not those who stand out. Point 2. Fear of judgment and approval seeking. Most people make decisions based on what others will think instead of what actually makes them happy. They wait for approval before taking action, which keeps them stuck in the background. Point 3. Autopilot living. The truth is, if you don't consciously decide to be the main character, the world will decide for you. And trust me, they will cast you in the role that benefits them and not you. Section 2. What being the main character actually means. A main character does not mean being entitled or thinking that the world revolves around you. It means knowing your worth and moving through life with intention. It was never about being selfish or arrogant. You are the writer, you are the director, and you are the lead actress of your own life. You don't just react to life, you create it. And that means making decisions that align with your vision and not someone else's expectations. That is how you create the plot of your own life. Side characters wait for opportunities. Main characters create them. While side characters make excuses, main characters find a way. So you better stop wasting time and start taking action. Section 3. How to step into main character energy today. Point 1. Rewrite your own stories. When you catch yourself thinking, oh, I'm not that kind of a person, I've never done this before, I don't do this, I'm an introvert, I can't do this because this. Stop that. Flip that story in your head and tell yourself, this new version of me is the kind of person who does this. Change the narrative. Example, instead of telling yourself, I'm just not a confident person, try telling yourself, I am taking action every single day to build my confidence up little by little. In that way, you're not telling yourself that you're not a confident person. You're telling yourself that you're working on it and one day you're gonna get there. Take it till you make it. Point 2. Start romanticizing your life. Main characters find magic in the ordinary. Walk in a confident way, wear your favorite dress, drink that amazing coffee that you have been wanting to splurge upon, and make every small moment feel cinematic and amazing. A main character takes risks. They don't wait for the perfect moment because they know that the perfect moment is created, not just given. Ask yourself, if life were a movie, would I be proud of this scene or would I change it? So change it. Point 4. Move in silence but with intention. Main characters don't overshare every move that they make. They build, they grow, and they succeed. Then the world notices. Point 5. Detach from the need of validation. Main characters don't need everyone to like them. They focus on their own path, their own energy, and people that are meant for them will effortlessly come to them when the time is right. At the end of the day, you get to decide. Are you going to keep waiting for someone who's gonna come over and hand you the script of your dream life, or are you going to write it yourself? And let me tell you something, it is not going to be easy. It is not going to be a bed of roses, and most days you won't even feel like doing anything. That phase that you go through, which really sucks, but you go through it anyways, when you come out to the other end, the success that you get then is the one that actually stays. And nobody can take that from you. If this resonated with you, drop a comment below and tell me what's one thing that you're going to start doing differently from today onwards to step into your main character energy. Also, I have been posting on YouTube for about a year now, and if you want to learn about all the mistakes that I made and the stuff that I regret, check out this video.